In front of me is the DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this DOOGEE device. Firstly, go into settings, then you need to click on sound over here and tap on vibrate vocals section. After that, select one of those options for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Now you can click on this switcher next to vibrate when connected if you wish to enable or disable this feature, and scroll down. Then tap on advanced, scroll down again, and click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibrations to enable or disable haptic feedback for those two features, and also tap on this switcher next to that vibration to turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!